Hello everyone, and welcome to your Global Software Industry Briefing for Friday, April 17th, 2026. For the full news coverage, please check the links in the video description. Yesterday, our focus was the synthetic data economy. Today, the industry has pivoted sharply toward deterministic AI and formal logic verification. As enterprises demand 100% reliability for mission-critical systems, the last 24 hours have been dominated by software that mathematically proves an AI's output is correct before it is ever executed. Let's dive into the headlines. In major deal news, Microsoft has acquired LogicCheck in a strategic $1.8 billion deal. This leader in symbolic reasoning will be integrated into Azure DevOps, allowing developers to mathematically prove the safety of their AI-integrated code. Databricks purchased SchemaSync for $450 million, bringing automated, AI-driven data consistency tools to the lakehouse to ensure multi-cloud synchronization. And CrowdStrike has finalized its purchase of Zero State. This specialized snapshot isolation software will protect cloud workloads by instantly resetting compromised environments to a verified clean state. Regarding the global workforce, Alphabet announced a 2.5% reduction in its legacy search quality evaluation team, roughly 2,400 roles. However, they are simultaneously hiring 800 formal verification engineers for their new Verified Gemini initiative. Meta confirmed a 1% realignment in administrative departments as they pivot toward algorithmic safety officers. We are seeing an 85% spike in demand for formal methods specialists this week. The tech itself is reaching new milestones. OpenAI demonstrated GPT-6 deterministic. It features a logic filter layer that verifies reasoning against physical and mathematical constants, reducing errors to near zero. Google DeepMind unveiled AlphaProof X, a model that autonomously translates human requirements into formally verified code. Mistral released HardLogic 1.0, an open-source model optimized for symbolic mathematics that uses 70% less compute than its larger rivals. New tools hitting the market today. Microsoft launched Visual Studio 2026 Pro, featuring Verify as You-type symbolic reasoning. AWS moved Guardrail Prime to general availability. This zero-trust AI gateway verifies the integrity of every API call made by autonomous agents. GitHub launched Copilot Verified, a new tier targeting banking and aerospace that only suggests code that has passed formal logic checks. Strategic partnerships are reaching new frontiers. NVIDIA and NASA are building AI-native software for autonomous spacecraft that can guarantee performance under extreme conditions. Apple and Sony launched Optic Verify, a unified software standard to prove captured images haven't been manipulated by AI. The Linux Foundation launched Project Open Proof, creating a global library of proof kernels for cross-system security verification. Finally, our critical alerts for today. Logic injection. Palo Alto Networks warns of a new exploit where attackers feed false axioms to an AI's logic layer to bypass safety checks. Cloudflare updated to Bot-Proof 3.0, adding a logical puzzle challenge to weed out high-latency AI bots. Also, a widespread bug in a common Python library is causing verified systems to fail. The era of guessing with AI is ending. The era of mathematical proof is here. Stay vigilant, stay updated, and I will see you in the next briefing.